Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gamel Official. Today I'm gonna show you how to make one of Indonesian favorite snack. So if you really want to know how to make it, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Nah, ini dia bahan-bahannya. Kita butuh 1/4 bawang bombay, 2 siung bawang putih, setengah kol, 1 buah wortel ukuran sedang, merica bubuk, dan kunyit sedikit aja. Habis itu kita punya garam di sini, dan kita juga punya penyedap rasa ayam. Kalian boleh pakai penyedap rasa apapun, dan kita juga punya tepung, campuran tepung. Nanti kalian baca sendiri di description box, ada aku kasih tahu ini campuran tepung apa aja. Oke? Habis itu kita potong-potong wortelnya dulu. Tipis-tipis ya, usahakan tipis-tipis banget. Kalau kalian punya parutan wortel malah lebih bagus, kalian boleh pakai itu biar lebih rata lah potongannya. Nah, habis itu kita potong bawang bombaynya dan bawang putihnya juga, sisihkan. Dan yang terakhir kita potong kolnya deh, kayak gini ya. So it's time to mix them together. Put the flour, onion, and garlic together and then stir it. After that, put some turmeric powder and chicken flavor. After that, salt. And lastly, put the white pepper. Next step, we mix it with water as well. But put the water slowly, don't put them at once, okay? So lastly, before we fried it, put all the vegetable that we already prepared before. So it's time to fry it. This is the result. Not only one, but 2. Wow, it looks so delicious, right? Let me take one and I will let you to hear this, guys. Look at it. And listen carefully. It's so crispy and yummy, and I know you can also make it at home. So if you make it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Okay? Good luck! Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you like it and enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel because you don't have to pay it. And see you in the next video. Bye!